All right. So this is the hair pull. Again, this is a very common one that you'll see in cat fights in various movies and or stage shows. So who's our victim? Who's our attacker?
Victim.
Okay. Okay, so our victim, the important thing to note is to keep your neck loose and let yourself be led around. Attacker, you are going to run your hand up the bottom of the neck of your victim. So you are gonna go ahead and actually grasp quite a bit of hair. So not a little bit of hair, but quite a bit of hair is the goal. And then from there, you are gonna have your hand open, splayed. So your hand should sort of be like this at the base of their skull, grabbing as much hair as you can kind of grab. And from there, you are going to use that hair to guide them. But before that, our victim is going to reach around and grab their wrist. This is for two reasons. One, to make it look realistic because people naturally fight against someone who's trying to rip their hair out. And second, it helps them follow the guide of where they're going. So from there, the person is going to use that hand on their neck to guide their head left and right. And then we're going to use some acting skills to make it seem like they're really pulling. And then when the victim is done letting their hair be pulled, they'll use the hands on the attacker's wrist to pull their hand away from their head. Excellent job.